Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The original question from somebody, one of my viewers, was how you would draw this shape in Corel. So I did a little playing with it, but there's a lot of ways you could draw this shape. But I think the best way would be to take a rectangle, take your shape tool, and go ahead and convert it to a curve. Grab both these nodes and right click and turn them into a curve, and then get it somewhat in the middle and well, I added a node. I didn't need to add a node. I just want to bring the center down. And you could go, pretty good with it, pretty far. Maybe if you were doing it for real, you would pick out the center line. Then make a duplicate of that guy and flip it. Look what you have in the middle. You have that shape. Now, let's left click, right click, and let's make this shape something easy to remember. Let's make it 10 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 10 and Control D or hit the plus key. And then cut that line away. And if you use your Smart Fill tool, you will create that shape. And look at that. I just didn't even try, but it's almost perfectly identical to the other one. And then once you have that shape, you could take your text. I'd always left click, right click, have no fill. You would want to use capital letters, and it's surprisingly that the envelope tool will put it in here. So grab your text, go up to effects and envelope, and go right here to create envelope from this shape. It really surprises me it does such a good job on those double. Now hold down the shift key to select that shape and then go EC and it'll put it inside that shape. And then of course you could make this shape a thicker outline. Of course, when you do that, it's going to impede on the number, but then you could take them and both make them yellow. Well, you can't do that. You could take the text. Let me nudge that out of the way. Take the text, make it yellow. Take this and make it a yellow outline. Let's just see what it looks like with a black box around it. Anyway, and if you didn't want the letters touching, you could do a lot to that. And I think touching actually makes it look pretty good. But anyway, the basic question was how to draw that shape. And there's probably 10 ways to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.